Hi all and welcome back to UTech Academy. I am Pooja and today in this video we will go through the walkthrough of SAP Cloud Platform Cockpit. In the last video we already saw how to create the trial account in SAP Cloud Platform. So let's visit the trial account today and see how we can create spaces in it. So to log into the trial account, we just go to this link account.hanatrial.ondemand.com. So from here we can enter to our trial account. Here we can see we have the menu tab. It's a hamburger. We have some useful links over here like documentation. So this links basically takes us to the help.sap.com. Here we can see we have the documentation for everything is about SAP Cloud Platform, what's new, getting started. There are many links. You can just go through them. In useful links, we also have release notes. In release notes, we can find out what and when was released. So we can see this is on 10th July 2020 what was released and what are the new features it was there. We can search this component wise. Suppose we want to search for API management. You can see in API management, the last release was on 4th June 2020 and it shows what and all is released on that day. So we can find previous releases also here. When we go to tools, so tools is nothing but it takes us to the location where we can download software for SAP development. The cloud platform is web-based and it includes 100% web-based development environment. But if you prefer, it also has SDKs and client tools for mainly Eclipse and Cloud Foundry, which you can download for your local development. We can see developer tutorials here. This tutorials has all the basic tutorials you can watch and learn about more about SAP Cloud Platform. You can see the details over here. We can go to tutorials and find there are some nice tutorials to know about how to start and with SAP Cloud Platform and develop some applications and deep dive into it. Moreover, we can find more as support, SAP Store, community, newsletters. For newsletters, you can subscribe and get the newsletters in your mail. We also have some legal informations which you should go through. These are the legal disclosures, privacy, terms of use, copyright, and trademark. Moreover, we can see we have sub accounts. Sub accounts for when you create a new trial account, initially there won't be any sub account for you. You can just from here we can create a new sub account. We can just give a display name as how we want a sub account's name to be displayed. Suppose I'll just say test. Provider is basically who is the provider, as it can be AWS or Azure or Google Cloud or anything. Since it's trial account, we just have AWS as the provider. We can select the region from here. Subdomain is something that the sort of ID which cannot be changed. So I'll create one. Yes, this is our sub account, which the provider we selected as AWS and region description and all. We can just go click and go through the sub account. So this is what a sub account domain is. The ID that is auto generated. So in sub account, we need to enable Cloud Foundry for development purpose. We just create or enable Cloud Foundry over here. You can see we do not have any active subscriptions for any of the services. So, and we do not have any spaces for it. So let's create a space over here. Just to test it, maybe test space 1. And we can give all the roles also here. So we can see we already have a space now. The entitlements, we can see we do not have any active services that we have already subscribed. So let's go to entitlements over here. So no entitlements have been added yet. Let's configure some entitlements and add services to it. So suppose if we search as, let's start this SAP Intelligent Robotic Process Automation trial. We need to tick this checkbox and add it to our service plan. Let's save it. So let's go back to our trial account and go inside our sub account which we recently created. And now we can see in our entitlements, we have a service already here. So I activate our subscription from here. See, it shows as this IRPA is not yet subscribed. Let's subscribe it from here so that we can use it for development. Now we can see we are already subscribed to this. Let's go back to our sub account and see we have this service over here. So moreover, we have directories, resource providers, boosters, entitlement. Resource providers are nothing but suppose we want some services which SAP directly does not support. Like suppose for Postgres, if you want, SAP does not directly support, but the providers like AWS or Azure or any, they provide any services, you all can use that also. Suppose for we just give the provider name and the other details on it and just create a new resource provider. Suppose we want to create AWS resource provider, we just give all the details and all and just create a provider. Boosters is nothing but a short tutorial kind of thing where you can just try or hands on different small applications so that you can know more about it. Entitlements, we can see entity assignments and service assignments. So basically it will show us all the services which we have and what is the plan and the quota assigned to it. So yeah, we can see the details of the user settings menu, user information, contact us and all. Yeah, that was it for this video. In the next video, we will see how to create and assign roles and how to assign services to our trial account. Happy learning!